Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's August 30th. I'm bringing you guys your market wrap-up. Quite a day today in the grains. We're going to start there. Corn started off lower, so did beans. Guess what? We didn't finish there. Corn ended up 5.5 higher on the session. We had beans coming up 10 cents today, closing near their highs, continuing the strength that we've seen over the last few days and continuing to rally. But still concerns out there as far as yield, keeping some support on the market. We had corn down as much as anywhere from 7 to 8 cents today, ended up finishing stronger. With that, we did go up and try to test the highs that we had. The contract highs didn't break into new highs yet, but setting up for a pretty strong day tomorrow if we're going to keep this strength. Beans, still a lot of concern out there. First off, the technicals are friendly. And this rain that's coming across the midsection looks like it's sliding more north, where we may miss some of the rains down south that need it. But we still have a lot of concern out there as far as yield on beans. That's keeping some very good support out of the market. But not only that, beans are catching support right now from the energies, from crude oil being up about $1.40 today, 88.70. Still very strong there, keeping bean oil stronger as well. But it looks like this crude oil market could end up going back up, trying to test that 90 area. But far cry from where we were just a few weeks ago when we made that low near that 75. Now we're sitting near 90 again. So we'll see how this market wants to react up against this resistance. But right now, still looks pretty good. The wheat market didn't do too much today. Down about 4 1/4 cents. It was the weaker of the three grains today. But we'll see if it can build some strength tomorrow. Still with the wheat, guys are still concerned with the lack of demand that's out there. Russia's still exporting, and more of our demand that has been diminishing. But you look at the wheat yields that are coming in up north, still not as good. Still concerns with that. Quality issues as well as yield issues with all the rain and moisture that they have seen. That is still going to be some underlying support for that Minneapolis contract. And, we may find some spreading from the Minneapolis contract, buying Minneapolis, selling Chicago, or buying Minneapolis, selling KC. But we do have some friendly and should be supportive news up there for that, for those northern parts. Looking at the market, the stock market right now up 22 points. It's had a crazy day today. We've seen that down quite a few today, over 100 points lower near the start. It has fought back throughout the session. It is about 22 points higher right now, sitting at about just under 11,600. That right now is also, the metals are extremely strong as well, building some more strength, up 47 bucks, 1837 right now for gold, and looks to be pretty strong. Silver, back and forth of unchanged. You wait a minute, you look, and we're down. Next minute, we're up 86, just like we are right now. 41.43 for silver. Still continuing its trek higher, but it's been in the sideways range, down below that 40 and up above 43. But we'll see. It is a very violent range. But right now, the metals still are a little bit friendlier. The charts look pretty good. We may find some more upside potential yet for the metals. Some of the soft markets today reacting to a higher dollar. Dollar up 22 cents, but sugar pulling back about 16. We are trying to. We've got some trade recommendations out there on our research up for sugar, for cotton, and some other soft markets. So take a look at those. But we want to be a seller of cotton on rallies. A seller of sugar on rallies. We did pull back 16 points today for sugar, but still looking for a little bit higher move in order to jump on the short side there. As far as cotton was up about 50 points. That's after being lower earlier. So there too, cotton, we've got some fundamental support behind cotton, where pullbacks are still probably good buying opportunities and may find that market continue to strengthen up. But we've got to break above the resistance of 109 in the December contract. And I think once we do, we could find a run up near that 114. As far as livestock today, fat cattle down 10, feeders up 10 to 15. So very quiet day. A lot of the traders kind of standing aside, waiting to see what cash will trade. later on this week. We had box beef choice down about 15. Down about 35. With select down about 39. So not too more quiet, I guess, on that end. But as far as hogs, down 57. You look at a hog chart, we've got this downtrend going right now. We're near the lower end of that trend, but cash hogs continuing to break down another $1 to $2 today. That's what guys are expecting for later on. That could continue to push this market lower. Seasonally, we work a little bit lower right now for hogs as well. So we'll see how we react near the support. But they were down about 57 cents today. So take a look at our research right there on our website. Give us a call here with those yield numbers. We've got our yield survey going on. I strongly encourage you guys to get out there, look at the fields, look in your fields, look at the yields that you have. Give us a call with some numbers. We can help you out, figure out where you stand. But that's really going to help us out to determine how things look out there. No one knows better than you guys, and we really appreciate your help. So please feel free to give us a call with those numbers. So I want to thank you guys today. Hope you guys have had a great day today and have a great rest of the week. We'll talk to you later.